Hey guys, welcome to Touch the Clutch. It's me, Igor, today. Today we're filming a late video because we've been busy with work. But today we're gonna start with the first mod that I did on the Nissan that actually now stands out, this vehicle from the crowd. It's gonna be the lights. So these are the ditch lights that we installed, and that is a light bar that Terry installed on top. He actually, now my roof has 3 holes that hopefully will not leak.
They won't.
And then we also installed this one at the back, the small one. This is against people tailgating me. I'll just...
This is what people, actually a lot of people call this a fuck you light.
Yeah, this is it. Like, honestly, if you're sitting right behind me...
Go flash me.
And you're flashing me, like...
So when you're driving your fancy BMW and you're behind, oh yeah. You're behind someone following really close, this is what you get.
So that was one of the stuff that like this car got, and I think now it needs a roof rack, and it'll actually look pretty off-roady from the top, except for like the tires. So these ones, right now what are we gonna do with them?
What?
We're just gonna turn on everything, show you how it looks like from the front.
So first of all, what I did, I ran everything from the battery to these heavy duty switches. Thankfully, the Nissan had 3 blank switches here, and I put these switches on there, which looks pretty damn good.
It honestly feels like daylight right here.
Yeah, it actually does feel like daylight. This is what it looks like. You can't really see just how bright it is,
Like,
but
it
like
honestly feels like we're just filming during the day.
Wait, stand right there. So it's like, it's better than daylight. It's like,
it's so bright.
It's like you're in the Arctic. But yeah, this is what they look like. They came out pretty good.
Yeah, they're sick.
The light bar is like just fucking brighter than I would ever imagine. How much was this light bar? This was like a cheap one off Amazon.
$50.
50 bucks. We'll include everything in the link in the description below. All the lights. These were budget friendly.
The only thing I have is this rotates.
Yeah.
So I need to put like shorter bolts and then wing nuts so I can just tighten it with my hands wherever I put it. So see, like a work light, I can just put it right here. Fuck, I need Allen keys.
You can put, the best way to do it is instead of this aluminum washer,
yeah,
you put a plastic washer, and instead of this aluminum nut, you put a nylock. Nylock won't move, and it's just gonna rotate on that plastic washer.
Yeah, so we can do that.
I'll get those. I can get those from work.
Now I have a ditch light, so I need to work on the exhaust. Now it's gonna reflect, and I'm gonna have good visibility.
Yeah.
So let me turn off the top light and the back because not to drain the battery. And here, like fuck.
So what are we doing here?
So this car keeps wanting to be loud, so it keeps straight piping itself. So this is what it sounds like right now. Small exhaust leak. You can show them the exhaust leak. You show them. Yeah, I'll shine the light.
Turn it off now. So how are we gonna fix this problem?
We're gonna do it a little bit of a getaway, but I think it's gonna work. Honestly, I'm not even sure if we need the... So the first thing, I got this exhaust clamp because it's kind of like broken, just like so I want to wrap it with an exhaust clamp and tighten it. And that's it. But
are you 100% sure that this is the right size?
No.
Okay.
You know how I measured it? I took a aux cable from the car, I wrapped it around the pipe, And then I was like, oh, shit, I don't have a measuring tape to measure how long this is. I put it to my iPhone, and it like was half an inch longer than the iPhone. So in the store today, they're like, how long of a exhaust clamp do you need? I'm like, let me figure it out. I'm Googling iPhone 13 Pro height. It's like says 6 point something inches. Then I add half an inch, and then I'm like, and I divided that by 2, and then divided by the pi, and I got the radius. And it was like 1.14 or something. I multiplied by 2. It's like 2.25 inches. So I was like, fuck it, let's just get a 2-inch clamp.
What the fuck?
That was my. I have no clue if it's gonna fit.
We just lost half the viewers on that one.
Yeah, but pretty much the pipe is pretty thin there, so I got the smallest one that looks like that looks pretty good.
Yeah, this is fine.
And before this, I thought like just to wrap it a little bit with the fucking tape. But honestly,
What kind of tape is this?
this is some exhaust tape that I got. Like it's called a Bandage.
You sure it's not just a Band-Aid?
No, but
Not sure.
the issue with this is that it's not sticky. It's not fucking sticky.
But maybe that's why it's actually meant to go under a clamp like that. Do you think?
Like, what the fuck is this?
What about the other side? Oh, it is sticky.
Bro.
Oh, you know why? Because it probably sticks on itself.
Because it's like melts on.
Who the fuck knows?
Bro, this...
But what are you supposed to apply this when it's hot? Maybe, yeah, maybe the other side is sticky.
They're the same. I
Are you
feel-
sure?
Yeah. They're both weird as shit.
Where's the package? Is this the package?
Yes.
Exhaust bondage.
Bondage? Did
Yeah.
bondage?
Oh, bandage. What the fuck?
Bro has been watching so much porn.
Bondage. What is a bondage?
It's that porn video where people tie each other up.
Oh, what the fuck? I didn't even know that.
Bro.
Easy wraparound
just-
bandage, seals out dangerous fumes, sets in minutes. But yo, how do you fucking apply this? So yeah, just literally fucking take it off, wrap it around.
Oh, it says wrap it with some fucking metal?
Oh, it does heat on. You see that?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna wrap it a little bit,
A little bit here and there.
and then I'm gonna put the exhaust clamp on top. But I cannot cut it. Do we have something to cut it with?
Mm-hmm.
What?
We don't.
Oh, great. I'm not even gonna fucking try to align it myself. Can we get like a knife? I think this is gonna be fine like this.
Can we get some girlfriends?
Okay, next question. Okay,
Did you align it?
like with my hand, but like it'll be aligned with the fucking clamp.
Okay.
Okay, now I need to cut it because I think that's long enough.
But what if now the pipe is bigger in diameter? And
No. It's gonna have like a little sliver. So what are
Okay.
we doing now? I need some like. Do you have a key? I'll fucking cut it with the key.
No, not here.
My key's in the trunk.
Key in the trunk. Нема. Де вони? Чи в машині?
Yeah, I might have a knife.
What the fuck did I just kick? Yeah, it's
Your
literally in
cat.
there. Do you not hear it? Open
What?
the car. That means the key is in there.
No, but the knife.
Oh, I don't have a knife.
So this is our tools for today. A little bit of ratchet, but it works.
It worked?
Yeah.
Okay, where's the clamp? What the fuck is that? Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
Bro, that was a GT3.
No way.
Yeah, that was a GT3. Oh, holy shit. Oh, bro, just yup. I just bandaged. Wait, what is it? Bondage? I just bondaged myself.
Like these, and I'll tighten the fuck out of it.
I can't actually see what you're doing.
Fuck, I think it's a bigger exhaust than
No way.
2 inches.
Can you at least get the nut on?
I don't think.
Try to get the nut on. Just fucking tighten it.
Maybe I can. No, I don't think I can.
No? Yeah, you can.
How? Where the fuck is it?
Look how long these nuts are. These bolts. Yeah, there you go.
Maybe you're correct. This doesn't look like it.
Yeah, you're good. You have the nuts here?
Yeah.
Okay. What the fuck is that for? Holy fuck, why is this contraption so
It's getting
complicated?
bigger.
Jesus Christ.
Give me your keys too.
Yo, what the fuck is this socket? That's a fucking half-inch socket. What is it? 9/16? Here.
Yo, this is gonna be the newest part of the exhaust.
Also, this is what we look like right now. Hey, yo, whoa. Whoa! The GT3's back.
Let's go racing.
Where is he? Bro, you can hear it so far. Such a wild car.
Wow. Oh, probably this is a good size of exhaust clamp.
Yeah, it's perfect, bro.
So, my calculation was good. Yo, this car's not even rusted.
What the fuck? Are you... Bro's colorblind.
No, look, there's no rust here.
Where? Because fucking there's oil.
No, it's aluminum.
Oh.
The gas tank's not rusted, it's plastic.
Okay.
Damn, those fucking hangers don't look promising.
To casting?
No, these ones right here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, you're fine.
Fuck them. Why did they become loose again?
What the fuck?
I think they just snapped into place, so it like gave me more.
Oh.
Or maybe I'm just fucking. It's too long for me to screw in.
So what, this exhaust clamp's too big?
I don't know. No, it's gonna be fine because it's gonna keep that like tape in.
Yeah.
It's gonna melt it. Fuck.
That's it?
I can't tighten it more because I need.
Is it loose? Bro, it's fine.
Should I tighten it more though?
Try to tighten it more.
I can't.
But you're
though.
out of thread because it's not full thread bolts.
I know. Oh, it's spinning? No, it's not. Can I just not go from this fucking side?
No, you can't. It won't work, trust me. You need a deep socket. That's a short socket.
Yeah, give me a fucking deep socket.
You don't have.
Give me a wrench though.
What, do you have Imperial wrenches? Oh, you do have Imperial. Quarter. Half. Wait, what? Which one you need? 9/16? Huh?
Yeah, sure. I don't think this is the right size regardless.
Well, it's good because there's no 9/16. Wait. Here, try 17 mil. I think this might be it, but use the other one. This one, huh? Is this 17?
It's too big.
Too big?
15, I think.
15.
Bro, I fucking
Here.
need new tires. Did you fart?
No. Is that it?
Yeah. Bro. I don't think it has to be super far.
It doesn't. Just don't go too far, because the bolt is not full thread. So when it runs out of thread, you're gonna start stripping the nut.
Oh, bro.
Just leave it. No, we're good now.
I hope there's no other leak.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'll start it and let it melt.
But this is a work light? Fucking mint.
Oh, I hope it's quiet.
Perfect, perfect. The mechanics. We are mechanics. We are mechanics. Look at that. We are mechanics. So now the car is quiet. We're ready for our camping trip. Ready to be stuck. And
That's
it.
also a type of porn. Stuck porn.
Camping.
That's also a type of porn. Stuck on camping.
Yeah, so what else? Like, I added a sticker. This is the lights sticker. And that's it. So have a good night. We'll see you in the next video.